Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have 2 Viewcontroller classes. Now wire them. First, give the destination a storyboard ID or create its instance in code using init or storyboard. Instantiate Viewcontroller. Once done, confirm the source has access to the destination class and imports UI kit. If you plan a push, make sure the source is inside a UI navigation controller. Otherwise, prefer present for modal transitions. These steps let you construct the transition object and prepare any data you'll pass before triggering navigation. You now build the transition and attach data. Instantiate the destination controller, cast it to your subclass, then assign any properties or delegate references. Do this before navigation so the destination sees the data in View.did.load. If using push, call navigation controller. Push Viewcontroller, VC animated true. If presenting, set VC. Modal presentation style and call present, VC animated true. Also consider prepare for sender. When using segues, so you centralize data passing and avoid timing issues. Finish by performing the navigation and validating results. Execute the push or present call on the main thread so UI updates occur smoothly. If you see warnings, dispatch to main. Make sure the storyboard ID and module match the class to prevent nil or unexpected cast crashes. If data is missing on the destination, inspect View.did.load versus View will appear timing and move assignments earlier. Tip: if nothing happens, check that navigation controller is not nil. That usually indicates you forgot to embed in a UI navigation controller.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.